Hi, my name is Roger. I'm with Artec Computers, and we're going to talk about how to cool an IBM G40 notebook. The first step is to check and make sure all the fans are functioning. If the fans are not functioning, you may want to consider replacing the fan. This can sometimes be an expensive proposition depending on how deeply embedded the fan is and how hard it is to get to it. I would never encourage you to do it yourself. The other option would be to get a notebook cooling device that you could slap underneath your notebook and simply use that to cool the notebook. It has its own fans that will suck the air out of the notebook. You can go to www.r-tech.com and do a search for notebook cooler, and you'll find a number of options for you. Now, if your fans are working and your notebook is still overheating, then the most likely culprit is going to be dust in the vents. And at that point, take your notebook, feel free to bring it to us if you live in the San Fernando Valley area. We'll do it at no charge for you, but you can go to anybody that's got an air compressor and simply blow out the vents using the air compressor. And that will get the dust out of the vents, allowing the air to flow again, allowing the fans to cool your system properly. So most laptops today are designed where you can put them on your bed, on your lap, wherever. Obviously a flat surface is the ideal place for it, and usually the notebooks have some sort of a ridge or something underneath it, assuming they have the fans in the bottom, to create just enough room for the fans to blow air out. But you should be able to use a notebook anywhere. On a comforter in a bed might not be the best choice, simply because sometimes they can kind of mold around the body of the laptop and prevent airflow.